This content is for general information and educational purposes only. I am not an immigration lawyer, attorney, or legal representative. The information shared in this video is based on public knowledge, research, and personal commentary and should not be considered legal advice. Immigration laws and policies can change and individual situations vary. Always consult a qualified immigration attorney or accredited immigration professional for advice specific to your case. Watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship. Okay, let's go. There's a lot of confusion right now among Jamaicans living in the United States, especially between those with green cards pending and those who are unfiling or in the process of regularizing their status. Many people are asking the same question: does any visa pause or immigration review affect us? The short answer is, these two groups are very different and they are treated very differently under US immigration law. Let's break it down. 1. Jamaicans with green cards pending, adjustment of status. If you are a Jamaican living in the US and your green card application is pending, that means you are already inside the US legal immigration system. This group includes people who married a US citizen or permanent resident, were petitioned by family, adjusted status from work, student, or asylum cases. Once USCIS has accepted your application, you are not affected by visa pauses or embassy slowdowns. Your case is handled inside the US, not at an embassy abroad. Processing depends on USCIS timelines, not travel policies. As long as you attend your biometrics, go to your interviews, respond to requests for evidence, you remain lawfully present while your case is pending. In simple terms, if your green card is pending, you are already in the system. Now, this is where things get misunderstood. When people say they are unfiling, it usually means they plan to file, their petition is not yet approved, or they are waiting for priority dates or documents. Until USCIS officially accepts your application, you are not protected the same way as someone with a pending case. This group must be careful because delays can increase risk, missing deadlines can cause denials, overstaying without filing can affect future eligibility. That doesn't mean automatic trouble though, it does mean time matters. 3. What this means for Jamaicans right now. Here's the key point many miss. Visa pauses mostly affect people applying from outside the US. They do not cancel green card cases inside the US. If you're already living in America with a case pending, you are not being targeted. Your process continues as normal. If you're planning to file, get accurate guidance, avoid rumors and panic, file correctly and on time. 4. Final takeaway. Not all Jamaicans in the US are in the same immigration category, and treating them the same causes unnecessary fear. Pending green card equals protected process. Planning to file equals act carefully and quickly. Visa pauses do not equal green card cancellations. Information is power. Panic is expensive.